Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of brick design on your wall in 3D Max. So you can see in the perspective view. ठीक है, तो ये कैसे बनता है? I'm going to show you that. Let's start. First you have to create one plane on your top view, right? Now you have to set the size. In this case I'm using 12 feet by 12 feet and segments I'm using 21 12. Clear? Let me show you in this view. Press F4 so that you can easily see these all lines. Right side click and then we have to convert into editable poly. First you have to select your edge and then click on this edge. Go to the modeling, you can see here we have an option, and then next we have a polygon. In this case we have a one option, that's a generate topology. You can click here. Here we have so many patterns and then you have to choose the third one. You can click on third one and then you can see we are getting this brick pattern. So let's close it. Now we don't need that thing. Go to the polygon, select your one polygon and then Control A so that you can select all the polygons. Just drag your mouse and then you can see here we have a one option that's called the insert. Click on this setting option. You can see insert के साथ एक छोटा सा box है, उस पे click करोगे and then you get these all options. Here you can click on this and then select by polygon. Clear? Let me show you why you have to choose that. You can see इसमें क्या है, अलग अलग polygon जो insert हो रहा है. अगर आप करोगे ग्रुप में तो क्या होगा, सब एक साथ होंगे. So we have to select the by polygon. Clear? In this case you have to set the size and then I'm using a half. Click on this tick. Next we have to click on this bevel and then set the size. So here I'm using 1 inch and bevel size I'm using 0.75. that's it. You can increase or decrease according to your design. Okay, 1 हो गया, इसको थोड़ा कम कर लेते हैं. that's it. Click OK. Now you can see if you want to change it like इसको extrude करना है then you can do it, but I feel like it's fine. Click on the screen. Again you have to press F4 so that कि वो lines हमें ना show हो. ठीक है, क्लियरली हम अपने डिज़ाइन को देख पाएँ. तो आप देख सकते हो our brick design is done. First you have to create a plane and then convert into poly, then you have to select the brick design and then insert and then bevel. Hope so you are clear in this case. You have any doubt then you can write in the comment box. Thank you.